Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both platforms and the media. You need an Instagram business or creator profile and access to your YouTube studio. Once logged in, download your short as an MP4 or export a clean copy. This keeps quality and aspect ratio intact. Make sure captions and a thumbnail exist. You'll reuse or recreate them on Instagram. Also, note the original video length and crop margins because Instagram Reels expects vertical, typically 9:16 format. Now move the file to your phone or cloud for posting. Once done with transfer, open a mobile editor or Instagram's editor to reformat. You must convert to 9:16, check safe frame for faces and captions, and ensure audio sync. This prevents trimmed subtitles or cut-off text. Make sure the final clip is under 90 seconds for Reels. Trim silent tails and normalize volume so Instagram's compression doesn't squash loud peaks. If you want, add a short native intro or branding sticker so viewers recognize it as your content. Save the final. Now you upload the edited file as a reel. Select Reel, import the MP4, paste a concise caption with relevant hashtags, and tag collaborators. Make sure to enable feed and stories sharing to boost reach, then publish. After posting, check Instagram Insights for views and retention so you can tweak timing or thumbnail. If the upload fails or is blocked, re-encode the MP4 with a standard codec, confirm no copyright claims, and double-check orientation and aspect ratio. Those fixes resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.